Hey everyone, I hope you're doing okay. I want to talk to you today a little bit about mosquitoes, and because we are really ramping up our mosquito applications. We're doing a lot of them right now. By the way, this is Logan. We're going for a little ride around the yard in the wagon. But what you need to know is something that not a lot of people know. That's actually very important. Is that a lot of people will say that they're a mosquito magnet, that they get bit all the time, and others will say that they hardly ever get bit. And the reality is that mosquito bites are like an allergic reaction, or they are an allergic reaction. And if some people, when they get bit by mosquitoes, they're going to flare up, have the red whelps, and they're going to itch like crazy. And other people, when they get bit, don't react at all. They have no reaction whatsoever. And so it's important to remember that and know that, especially if you're one of those people, because the danger there is to not take precautions, to not wear your bug spray, to not eliminate standing water from around your house because you don't think that mosquitoes like you, when actually you are getting bit. You just don't know it because there's no reaction. And we're all well aware that the danger of mosquito bites is not just the reaction. They also carry diseases, and so we need to obviously minimize the number of mosquito bites that we get. So just something to consider if you're one of those that doesn't seem to get bit by mosquitoes very often. That doesn't necessarily mean that you're not being bit by mosquitoes. It may just mean that you don't know it because you're not reacting. So hope that helps. Have any questions about that? Feel free to let us know. Thanks.